hospital bed, home nursing bed, electric hospital bed, etc. Gray Tong cover 2,000 square meters. One welding workshop cover 1,000 square meters. 500 square meters stock shop. 500 square meter assembly shop. We have 60 works, 2 senior engineer, 3 QC, 20 pieces welding machines, 1 automatic welding machine. Our average productivity each day, 300 sets. We work on international business 2 years. Our hospital bed export to Russia, Pakistan, Vietnam, Nigeria, Peru, Indonesia, about 10 countries. We gain good reputation from our customers. We have a plan. Within 3 years in future, we will extend our business to more countries. Now, we are preparing electric hospital bed producing line. Then, we will extend our market more widely. Now we have certificate CE, ISO 13485 certificate. Gray Tong insists to do business by quality, not only by price. No quality, no life is our tenet. We constantly improve our product to more easily operation and connect requirements to customer. We try to supply high quality and more commercial price. We try to establish business relationship on both gain profit. We welcome national and international customers to visit us and cooperation with us.